Well, good evening, YouTube. Oh, I can't use it yet. We're still prepping.
Not ready yet.
Oh, jeez.
Ready to roll? Yeah.
See if we can debunk the claims. We are here at possibly one of the most haunted cemeteries in America. Not only what the legend is,
What was your habit?
but what's the history behind it.
Haven't we been here before?
Is there somebody in here?
If there's any truth to it at all, that there's going to be because someone died there.
Grab your brain.
No, I can't keep that up.
That's the way ghost chasing goes.
This is Team Paranormal with another exciting video for you 27 subscribers that we have. Hey, that's not bad. We're doing pretty good. I'm Shaggy.
I'm J.O.
And this is another video about Roy's Place, Monster's House.
This is from the first trip.
Wow, dude. I'd forgotten about that.
No, we didn't hear any of these sounds while we were there. We didn't hear them live.
Right.
Nothing. So we're just going through the video and I just heard all these sounds. I was going to make a sound, but I'm not going to.
Right.
Just
We
want
don't
you
want to
to,
front load you.
yeah, just want you to listen to them.
You know, hope you enjoy and let us know what you think.
Saw man.
Really?
Hair tonic.
Yeah, there's a lot of old school paraphernalia and stuff in there. Yeah. So be careful.
I'll go look. Let me go check. What happened? Where's that door go to?
That door?
Maybe it needs to develop more.
Yeah, but it develops in black and white because it's in black.
We just come through there. See, this is really weird because it's plug up right here.
Dude, this is a giant. Eyes are looking like I'm looking the other way. I'm not even paying attention. I'm like this.
It's because of my Seagal look.